Hi, my name is Acquino, and this is Annie Flannery, my audience. I'm doing my speech today on why you should touch yourself, a guide to self-examination. In order to self-examine yourself, you have one tool that is most important to you that you don't have to purchase and that isn't hard to get, your hand. In order to examine your body, it's best to do it in the shower or in front of a mirror. You want to use, for women, you want to use 2 fingers in order to rub the breasts in a slight circular motion in order to feel for any masses or lumps or any differences that are noticeably to you. If you see anything, notify your doctor. Men need to use their thumb and their pointer finger in order to roll each testicle to find any abnormalities, lumps, bumps, masses, or anything different that shouldn't be. Now men, one testicle is normally larger than the other, so that's nothing to concern yourself about unless it's abnormally large or swollen or something that's just not different that you know isn't right in your body. Steps for men to follow. Take a hot bath or shower in order to relax your muscle and the anatomy of your body. In order to give yourself a self-examination, you don't want to be tight everywhere. Otherwise, you may feel muscles that you don't know really that you have that you may mistake for a lump or a mass. In men, what you want to look for is any type of lump in either of the testicles, and by doing that, you use your pointer finger and your thumb, roll the testicles gently in between the 2 in order to feel anything different. One testicle, like I said, can be larger than the other. If it's sensitive to touch, make sure you notify your doctor. Any pain or tenderness in any of the male extremities, bring to your doctor's attention if it's not usually something that persists for a while that you know of. An ache in the lower stomach of the male or the abdomen can be also another sign of an abnormal body abnormality. In order for the doctor, they can check to see if there's any swelling or tenderness or anything that's going on with the groin you may not know about. Steps for women to follow. Women, by going to the gynecologist, they can have their extremities examined by a professional doctor that knows what to look for and what's not consistent with natural life. At home, a woman can use a mirror to look at her groin in order to see if there's something wrong that she knows shouldn't be the way it is. As far as examining the breast, the women can use 4 simple steps in order to see if there's anything wrong, any lumps or masses or bumps that shouldn't be there. If women raise their hands, they can see underneath the breast if there's anything going on that shouldn't be there. By lowering both arms, the women can see if there's any masses protruding other than what should normally be. If the women put their hands on their chest, it pushes the chest out and it will actually protrude any masses that are underlying under the skin. And by placing both hands on the hips, squeezing the chest muscles together and leaning in towards the mirror, a woman can get a better examination of her breast and any lumps that could be there that she may not be feeling. What to look for in a woman when a woman does a self-examination of her breasts. The woman wants to use 2 or 3 fingers and a gentle touch on the breast in a circular motion in order to feel for anything underneath the skin or under the muscle that could be of concern. If you feel any mass, tenderness, lumps, or thickenings in the breast, let your doctor know right away. Women can also have further examinations such as mammograms done yearly or bi-yearly in order to find any abnormalities inside the breast that they may not have caught self-examining. Fact, did you know today that in every 4 Americans, 1 person is diagnosed with cancer? By this, self-diagnosis, you can find something early enough in order to alert your doctor that could actually potentially save your life. My question to you is, have you touched yourself lately? Touch yourself in the shower, in front of the mirror, know what your body should feel like normally, and know if something's wrong. This could possibly save your life. And that's why you should touch yourself in the shower.